Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at some of the Chinese stocks listed in Hong Kong. So without further ado, let's first start off with Ping An. So for Ping An 2318, you can see that we are starting to see some selling pressure for a period of time. And from a low of around 31.30 to hit a high of 65.10 and more than doubled. And thereafter, we're looking at a pullback. So the first support at 78.6% at $57 have really broken down. So next critical support we're looking is at this 61.8% at 52.20. At the same time, we're looking at the cloud support coming in. So on the way up, the cloud will act as a resistance, while on the way down, the cloud should act as a support. So hopefully buyers do step in at this 61.8% at 52.20 levels. In the event that we break that $52 support level and even the $50 psychological support level, the next two support we're watching is 48.20 and 44.20. Bear in mind, there's two resistance to watch out for. First one will be around $55 at this blue conversion line. The second one will be $59. So let's move on to 1810 or XiaoMi Corporation. So for XiaoMi, we actually went up pretty well as well from a low of 88.32. We hit a high of 14.10. And once again, 78.6% did not hold. So we're looking at this 61.8% at 11.90, which is currently where the prices are at now. So if we do not see buyers stepping back in, next support, we're looking at 11.22 and potentially 10.52. Two resistance to watch, we're watching 12.50 and this rate baseline at around 12.80 levels. So moving on to 1299 or AIA. So for AIA, we already have seen 61.8% being tested just yesterday itself, and we are looking at a pretty good, nice green candle here. So that is a good sign for now. What we want to see now is the upcoming days, whether or not we have follow through for this particular counter. And in the event that this particular low 79 breakdown and even this day low here breakdown is likely for us to come back to the next Fibonacci support level at 75.45 or even potentially at 71.15. So currently we have already crossed this blue conversion line resistance at $83. Hopefully this previous resistance can now turn into support. That would be a good sign for 1299. And the second resistance for it to clear will be around this rate baseline at around $85. So lastly, we have NetEase. So NetEase or 9999, very similar situation after hitting this particular high here. You can see that we saw sellers coming back in at this particular level around 140 levels. So from a low of 84.10, 78.6% broken down. So the next support we are currently at now is 61.8% at 123 levels. Thereafter, we're looking at 116 and potentially 108. So the two resistance to watch will be 131 and the second resistance will be not too far away at around 134, 135 at this rate baseline here. So you can see that the three to four stocks, we are currently at the critical or approaching the critical 61.8% Fibonacci support level. And hopefully we can see buyers stepping back in at this level. If not, potentially we may see more downside for these Chinese stocks. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.